Welcome to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first free plastics news show. Covering weekly trends in polymer raw material trading for today, Wednesday, July 24th. This week, PVC prices displayed a mixed undertone in the Asian region. Global geopolitical volatility has raised the appeal of the US dollar as a safe haven asset among international investors, leading to a continual rise in its value. Shifting global geopolitical dynamics and mixed market signals continue to pose a potential downside risk to crude oil prices. The easing of ocean freight rates in some parts of Asia could significantly lower transportation costs and normalize trade flows across some maritime trade lanes. In China, PVC prices were assessed at the $800 to $820 per metric ton CFR levels, a rise of $20 per metric ton week on week. In China, a Taiwanese producer offered its PVC resin suspension grade at the $830 per metric ton levels for shipment in August 2024. In China, prices firmed owing to higher import offers from overseas suppliers, although demand continued to be muted in the region. Spot market fundamentals exhibited mixed sentiments, with supplies anticipated to rise during the week, although demand continues to remain weak owing to a seasonal lull. Although export opportunities for PVC were active, export trade ebbed further, with participants continuing to track the market situation while expecting continually declining freight rates from China to fall further. Meanwhile, the spot market is under pressure amid divergent demand and supply fundamentals, with market players anticipating prices to fluctuate further. In Southeast Asia, PVC prices were assessed at the $840 to $880 per metric ton CFR levels, a week-on-week sharp gain of $40 per metric ton. The Southeast Asian PVC market continued to experience minimal trading activity even as higher offers supported the prices. In Southeast Asia, a producer from Taiwan offered its PVC resin suspension grade at the $875 per metric ton levels for shipment in August 2024. Meanwhile, in India, PVC prices were assessed at the $900 to $930 per metric ton CFR levels, a fall of $30 per metric ton from the previous week. A domestic industry source informed a Polymerupdate team member, Reliance Industries Limited has reduced PVC prices by ₹4 per kilogram, with effect from July 24, 2024. Meanwhile, the company has announced fresh price protection in PVC with effect from July 24 till August 1, 2024, with the earlier price protection having been withdrawn. In India, a Taiwanese producer has offered its PVC resin suspension grades S65D, S65, S60, S70 at the $910 per metric ton levels, while B57 grade at the $930 per metric ton CIF Nava Shevat Chennai Pipevarv Mundraports basis, for shipment in August-September 2024, LC at site. These offers are sharply lower by $70 per metric ton from last month's offer. A South Korean producer has offered PVC suspension grades at the $900 to $910 per metric ton levels on CIF basis. Meanwhile, another South Korean producer has offered its PVC suspension grades at the $910 to $920 per metric ton levels on CIF basis. In India, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman raised the basic customs duty, BCD, on PVC flex banners from 10% to 25% in the recent budget, citing the need to curb their imports as they are non-biodegradable and harmful to the environment. Indian PVC import prices continued to decline further, supported by a protractedly tepid purchase pulse and easing freight costs from China. New offer announcements by Taiwanese producers for August shipments have been lower from last month, with buying appetite dampened across South Asia, with buyers exercising caution while making trade decisions. Seasonal factors have also adversely impacted demand for PVC, particularly from the domestic agriculture and construction sector, a trend which is likely to last through Q3 of the year. There has been a gradual easing in freight costs from China, with the tightness in container availability across Asia also ebbing. Trading activity was limited through the week, primarily due to a lull demand season and reduced price expectations. Market sentiment has also been affected due to a lack of clarity surrounding the obtainment of BIS certification for global PVC producers. Currently, only South Korean and Taiwanese producers are heard to have obtained these certifications ahead of the August 26 deadline specified for its obtainment, fueling expectations that the deadline could be extended. Thank you for watching.